Hey everybody, thank you for stopping by today. Maisha here from Blue Sapphire Studio. And today I just want to go over the unboxing of my latest Potomac Beads Treasure Box. This is the box for the month of February, and it's called Whispers of Romance. And so this time, instead of me just unboxing and putting in little my little ceramic bead tray that I have, I'm going to go ahead and unload everything into an organizer box. That way, if I put it in the box, then I know that I'll start working on it as soon as possible. So, with that being said, let me go ahead. Before I get started, let's see what they have here. And it says here on the Whispers of Romance Treasure Box, indulge your creativity spirit with a captivating assortment of beads and findings in a romantic and elegant color palette. Smooth, lustrous chocolate azuki seed beads set a rich, indulgent tone, while dusty pinks and soft, romantic purples shine through in an array of delicate jet glass shapes. Accents of soft grays and bold blacks add a touch of edgy sophistication, creating a perfect balance for your designs. Whether you're crafting timeless jewelry or artistic accessories, this collection promises to inspire creations full of charm and allure. And I must say that every time I do get a Potomac Beads Treasure Box, I am inspired to do lots of beautiful things. And what I love about Potomac Beads is not only are their boxes amazing, but they always have like a video that can help you learn some of the techniques so that you can put together some of the beads that they have sent to you. So one of the first things I'm going to open is the jet glass spiral disc beads. They're 10mm beads, and you get a pack of 25. And let's open and give them a look-see. I think they're amazing. Quite amazing. They're so pretty. Look, they're like spirals, but the spirals, they kind of look like flowers, but they're just spirals. But you really can't tell with my camera, and I don't know if bringing it closer up helps you see the color, but it's really a deep, I would say like a deep purple color. Very pretty. So let's just put those into the tray. Super pretty. It's exciting opening bead boxes because it feels like Christmas every single time, and it's quite addicting, so that you want to keep ordering, and then every day when you come home from work you feel like it's Christmas. It's a bad habit, and it's very expensive, so don't get into it. Okay, so check flower and heart beads, jet, a pack of 2. They look really pretty. Look very close to the spiral. Oh my god, they have that similar color to the spirals, that dark color. It is not black. It looks black in the camera, but it's more like a purplish color. 2 18mm faceted rounds. And every time I open up something, I think, what could I do with this? I'm generally a minimalist, and so I always have a hard time when it comes to really big and bulky and round things. But what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to stretch myself and challenge myself to think outside of the box when it comes to bigger, bolder beads and findings and such. And so yeah, when I look at these, the first thing my mind goes to is like a pair of earrings, right? Something easy. But what I really want to stretch myself to do is go beyond the simple dangly pair of ball earrings, which would be amazingly cute, but to think of something very creative that I can do with those. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but If I think of something really good, I'll make sure to share it with you all. Okay, so this is the check glass teardrop beads. These are a deep red. And they're very pretty. And these are top drilled. You know, when I see these types of drops, I usually see them in like a, like they look like a briolet, and they're usually drilled on the sides. But these are really pretty because they have like these little swirls. I don't know if they can easily be seen in the camera. Let me see if I put these down and then I pick one up. Let me see if I can get it to where you can see the swirls. I don't know. There's like a little stripe that goes across each one of them. It's very pretty, the stripes inside. We have the check faceted donut bead in a Vega luster. Get 25 of those. Uh-oh. Very pretty. Ugh, my word. These are pretty. Great little seed beads that could be used as accents or spacers. Okay, so we have the check faceted round 12 millimeter deep purple swirl. Some more deep purple OMG. These are amazing. Oh my God, I wish I could do better with this light. I'm gonna work on that. These are deep, another swirl, stripes that go across. But, okay, so the hole is this way, so the stripes are going around this way. The hole's here to there. So they go this direction. Very pretty. They gave us some freebies here. Some little round duos. I really like the fact that if you don't know what to do with a round duo, all you have to do is go onto the Potomac Beads website, and they have plenty of videos there that can show you how to use some of these. Got some great ideas. This is the check pentagonal nuggets, purple 7 millimeters. Ooh, they look very similar to these purple ones that have the swirls on the inside. These are just a lighter color. And again, the swirls go in the same direction. So the hole is this way, and the swirls go across this way. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. These are actually very light, a very light color. I wonder if I change my light, if we can see better. Oh. Let's see. Let me see if this works. I don't know if that worked at all. Oh. I think that's lighter. Can't see how bright those are very pretty. They're very light. And if you can see them next to the darker deep purple, you can see that they're much lighter. And these are round dual beads with white Lila Vega luster. They almost look like pearl, like the Potomac pearls. They almost look like the Potomac pearls. Of course they're not, but they're very lovely. We have the check smooth bicones in black diamond, 3 millimeters. I'll put them up here. I don't know if you can hear that music. It's my husband. He's in the garage. He has an old truck, and he decided that he wants to redo it, and paint it, and make it look really pretty. So he's out there jamming out while he's working on his truck. These are actually bicones. They're very smooth bicones. They're very pretty. They're not faceted. And then this is a strand. Let's see. This is called no, what is this? What is this strand? Not exactly sure what the color is on these check, but this is definitely a faceted bead, and it's a check glass bead. Check glass faceted rounds, that's what these are. But it's a very pretty mauve-ish color. Then we have our Crystal Rose Montes White Opal. This is 36 in here. Nice. I noticed that on the website they have a lot more Montes there with different color options. So go to the website, check it out. Check glass heartbeats. What would you do in your life if you didn't have any check glass heartbeats? Just give it up. These are beautiful. Look at that. They have like a copperish color to them, a coppery mauve-ish type color. They're beautiful. And then we have some premium bales, 9mm antique copper plated. I won't put these bales in here, and then I won't put these copper plated premium antique ball pins in there, and I won't put my Azuki seed beads, opaque brown. I won't put those in there either. I will, however, put these, the laser cut flower charm bouquet there. I'll put those in there because I think they can be incorporated in the designs that I might make. Very nice. I mean, this is the first time I think I've gotten something like this from Potomac Beads. Okay. So if you had these, what would you do with them? So they obviously can be colored in whatever color you wish. OMG, these looks like so much fun. So probably earrings, right? Matching earrings, right? But again, I don't want to always default to earrings. I want to think outside the box and see what else could potentially be done with them. They're quite lovely, very interesting. Would be a nice challenge to play with. Earrings are great, but not the simple earrings where you just, do something simple. Just try to figure out a way to challenge myself with those. Worst come to worst, if I can't figure it out, there goes the drop earrings like everything else. Okay, and then of course they give you a description of the wood laser cut. So that is the treasure box, but I just want to tell you that I have a bonus here because I got this handy dandy. They always give you the best packaging, don't they? But this is what I got as well. super cute. And these are they're wine charms. So in this box, it's the ingredients to make your very own wine charms. Not only do you get the box, but you get everything that it entails so that you can make the charms, as well as instructions on how to do so. I've never done it before, but I can't wait to find out. But it looks like they gave me some wire. This is 24 gauge wire. They gave me some loops. These obviously are the ones that go at the bottom of the wine jars. The wine glasses. They gave me the head pins. They gave me jump rings. They gave me some charms. And the charms are, looks like they're acrylic charms in various colors. I don't know if you can see the colors. Why don't I just pull them out the bag? Be a good girl. Pull them out the bag. So they're yellow, red, blue, red. These are adorable. Green. Do you see that green? Green and orange. Oh, so exciting. Beads are my life. And also some crystal clear beads. And then this one looks like it's a black AB, jet black AB. Beautiful. Oh, I can't wait. The obsession, the obsession. Raise your hand if you have an obsession. Okay, with that, I want to say thank you for tuning in to my unboxing of my February's treasure box from Potomac Beads, as well as taking a peek at the wine glass kit that they sent me for free that I did not pay for. Thank you so much for tuning in, and make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you'll know when I post another video. I am new to the video thing, so I am learning how to keep my hands within the camera, describe everything that I have in front of me, remind you to like and subscribe. I am not savvy on editing the videos yet, so I don't have any of the fancy stuff. I'm a little bit later in life, and so when you're later in life, it takes a little bit longer for you to learn new things, but I'm very excited about doing so, and I'm glad that you are here with me for the ride. And so I just want to thank you for dropping in, and have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.